Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to take a look here at this Workpro rechargeable magnetic LED underhood Worklight. And so I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen the ones that are kind of like a nice straight light bar that you can connect underneath the hood. And those are ideal, especially in certain situations where you got a garage, whatever, storage space for that kind of thing. This is kind of more one that's good where you can take it on the road. Because it's a little more portable, a little more compact and flexible than having one of those roll-long light bars to attach underneath the hood, which to me, for like a regular sedan or something like that, it's impractical to carry that around with me. This, though, is much more of a convenient size, so for different things like maybe roadside situations, whatever, where I can put this into use in those, if I need to do some work under the hood or whatever, break down at night, whatever it might be. I can stow this in my vehicle field expedient repair kit and have it handy. So it's pretty simple overall. We'll give you a demo here in a quick second. First thing I'll say also is thank you to Workpro for sending this to me for evaluation. I do appreciate it. Of course, my opinions are always my own. But with this, pretty much what it is you've got a place here to recharge with a USB-C ports. You're just your standard USB-C port these days. And then also too, it has two clips here where pretty much it's a little bit kind of rubberized on the inside because this is what's going to attach to your hood. Now on the back of these also too, they have two magnets on each end here. Which don't really work for me just because I have like padding underneath the hood there. But still, pretty much what you can do is use these straps, which I've already done to adjust to my vehicle. And then same deal over here on this side, and then your LED light strip is right here. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and looked at it. So folks, underneath the hood here, here's how it looks. These clips. One clip attaches to one side, and then you have kind of your battery pack LED light strip, and then all the way over to attach to the other side there. So let's go ahead and turn the light on and see what we got. Okay, so here's how everything looks like with the regular workshop light here. Let's go ahead and turn on the overhead Workpro light here. And yeah, you can see a big difference there. And it also has some adjustment. You can press the button again to dial down the brightness, and then that's off. So go ahead and turn it back on. So definitely I can see like anything under the hood at night that you would need to do, whatever, especially roadside or something. This light is perfect because you can pretty much just clip it to the side of the hood there with those clips, and then you've got plenty of light to work underneath here, so it's awesome. So folks, here is the brightness of this, and then we'll dim it down and all the way to off. So yeah, it puts out a pretty good amount of light and does really well. So definitely under the hood there, big difference. So this is one thing I'll be putting in my field expedient repair kit with my car. Just to have with me in case I need light for any sort of roadside situation. So yeah, definitely check these out. Thanks to Workpro for sending this to me for evaluation. So far it looks like a real handy, nice little piece of kit. So anyways, folks, definitely check it out, and you all have a good day.